How to graft an apple tree with grafting materials needed. Here rootstock action from the desired apple variety. Pruning shears or sharp knife. Here rafting tape. WAC or grafting compound. Lobini alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. Just the sandwood sulite a healthy, disease-free branch from a mature apple tree that has the desired characteristics you want to graft onto the rootstock. Cut the branch into 2-inch long pieces, each with 3 to 4 buds. Choose the rootstock. Select a healthy disease-free rootstock that is compatible with the sandwood. You can find out more about specific rootstocks here. Prepare the sandwood. Cut the sandwood at a degree angle just below bud, and trim away any leaves or buds from the bottom half of the cutting. Whip rast. Prepare the rootstock. Cut the rootstock at a degree angle, about inches above the ground, and remove any side shoots or branches from the base of the tree. Make the graft. Insert the seed inward into the rootstock, making sure the cambium layers of the 2 pieces match up. Use a grafting tape, a rubber band to hold the pieces from 8 together. Seal the graft. Apply a graft in wax or seal into the graft union to protect it from pests and disease. Care for the tree. Water the tree regularly and protect it from extreme temperatures and pests. As they graft, pros remove any shoots that emerge from the rootstock below the graft union to prevent competition.